Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Horinga.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Nucleus Software Exports, and the ticker name is Nucleus. That's what you're seeing here. And this is the monthly technical chart of Nucleus, and this is the historical price chart, and these are all the technical indicator graphs. And I'm using RSI, MACD, momentum, ADX, money flow, and trade volume, etc. indicators to do the technical analysis for this particular stock. Okay, now if you look at the price trend path pattern of the stock until June 2013, the stock is not doing, much, is not doing great, and only after 2013 onwards, June 2013 onwards, it started moving in the upward direction. And the good point regarding the stock is actually it is consistently making new highs, high 1, high 2, new high 3, and this happened in this new high 3 happened it reached in July 2015, but after that the stock went down and it hit its bottom in February 2016, and that time this stock was trading at what is the price, nearly 140 rupees. And after that, after February 2016, again this this stock started moving in the upward direction. You can see the consistent new highs here, new level, new high 1, new high 2, new high 3, and new high 4. Actually it is still moving in the upward direction. It is about to make a new high there also, and after every new high, after every time it makes a new high, there will be some sort of consolidation, that you can clearly see that here. And the stock did the same thing in 2013 to 2015 phase, and again it is doing the same thing from since 2016 onwards till now. Okay, I think right now, the stock, even if you look from if you see from June 2013 onwards, to at that time the stock was trading at 68 rupees, and today it is trading at 389. 2013 to 17, nearly 4 years, and the stock, whoever has bought at least here in 2013, June 2013, for 60 rupees or 70 rupees, whatever that time the stock price. So today they might have got at least 300 rupees profit per share, 300 rupees profit per share. Okay, and this is quite exciting, and we can this stock, the way it is moving and consistently the way it is making new highs, it looks it looks like a promisable stock. Now we do the technical analysis and then conclude actually what we are thinking right now is right or wrong. Okay, before coming to this charts, I would like to deal with the moving average here. Okay, this stock has already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, yes, and this is good, and right now it is under the influence of positive supertrend mode, that is also good. And now look at the RSI. RSI is just peaking up. It is about to cut through the top line, and the way it is angle it is making with the top line, it looks like it is going to make a nice slope there, and that means the strength of the stock is going to increase. So now look at the MACD. MACD is diverging, and signal line is on top of the red line. It's good, and histogram bars are populating on top of the baseline. That is also good. Even we can see, though the size of the bars are small, but still we can clearly see some sort of positive sign here. And look at the momentum. Momentum is playing on top of the baseline, but that's it. Momentum is weak for the stock, and at the moment, right now. And look at the ADX. Direction strength of the stock is going down. And look at the money flow. Money flow is has picked up, and even right now is also it's peaking. And trade volume is gradually increasing. You can clearly see that. Okay, so that means what we can conclude for this stock right now. So based on all these indicators, you see RSI up to certain extent is okay, MACD is also okay up to certain extent, momentum is down, direction strength is down, money flow is okay, volume is surging. So I think that and even if you look at the price path pattern, every time consistently it is making new highs. It is not just sitting idle. It is not lying on the baseline. It is like continuously moving. It is not like this. this trend and this trend both are different actually. So before 2013 and after 2013, this particular stock, you can clearly see the difference here, right? So after 2013, the stock is not just lying on the baseline like this, but it is consistently making new highs, and even right now it is moving in the upward direction, and it has already crossed its moving averages, which is very good. Now, based on the strengths and weaknesses, I think the stock is moving at a very slow pace. I mean, it will move at a slow pace. Why? Because right now it is lacking momentum and it is lacking direction strength also. So, though the stock is moving in the upward direction, but it takes a little bit of more time to cross. Right now, it is at 389, right? If it has to cross 500, if 500 is the target, so it will take at least 5 to 6 months. I'm pretty sure. So because right now the way it is these indicators are giving us signals, it looks like the stock is the stock lacks momentum and strength. Both it is lacking. So there is a reason. But the stock is moving in the upward direction. Because and it is maintaining the pattern consistently. It is maintaining the pattern. So I'm pretty sure this is a highly recommended stock, but this stock moves at a very slow pace. So if you are expecting too much within a short span of time, then this is not a stock for you. But if you are looking for long-term investment at a slow pace, then you can go with this stock. So guys, this is the analysis for the stock. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.